Hello developers. Today I am going to show you how to fix the frequent ANR errors received in Google Play Console. Most of the ANRs in Play Console are caused by this specific error called input dispatching timed out. Generally, the system displays an ANR if an app can't respond to user input on the main thread, also known as the UI thread. For example, an ANR can occur if an app performs a blocking IO operation such as network access on the UI thread, or app does non-UI related work on the main thread such as handling broadcasts or running services. So let's debug what is causing this input dispatching timed out ANR in our app and how to fix or prevent this ANR displaying in Play Console. Actually, last month I have received a message in my Play Console inbox related to the fix for a crash. The provider of Google Mobile Ads SDK has added a note to one of your crashes to help you understand what caused the issue and if or how you can prevent it. To view the SDK note, go to the crash details page and scroll to Insights section. Let's click on View Crash Note. The note is related to an ANR called Input Dispatching Timed Out. So the Google Mobile Ads SDK added this note. Call mobile ads.initialize on a background thread or use the optimize initialization manifest flag. Okay, let's see how frequent this ANR is logged in our app. Filter the issue type user perceived ANRs. Oh, there are so many affected users because of this same ANR type, input dispatching timed out. Okay, let's open an ANR. When we come down, here we can see where the app triggering this ANR. In my app, it is in calendarview.onCreate method where I am calling mobile ads.initialize. Okay, let's check the potential fix for this ANR. Call mobile ads.initialize on a background thread or use the optimize initialization manifest flag. Okay, open this page for more information. Starting from Google Mobile Ads SDK version 21.0.0, you can enable optimized SDK initialization and ad loading to improve the overall responsiveness of ads and help prevent ANR errors on your app. So we need to update the manifest file with the flags. There are two optimization flags available, optimize initialization and optimize ad loading. By default, both flags are set to false. So we need to enable both the flags in manifest file by adding a metadata tag. But the best way to optimize initialization is to call mobile ads.initialize on a background thread as described in the Get Started guide. This is the Mobile Ads SDK Get Started page. Here it describes how to initialize Mobile Ads SDK before loading ads on a background thread. Let me check how I have initialized in my app. This is the main activity class. So I have called mobile ads.initialize directly on onCreate method, which is an UI thread. But actually we should initialize the SDK in a new thread like this. But if you want to call the method on the main thread only, then enabling the flag below will move some of the initialization tasks to the background thread. So either call the initialize SDK method in a new thread or open manifest, add the flag optimize initialization. So I am choosing the second option. I don't want to change the code. So open manifest file, add the flag optimize initialization. And also add the flag optimize ad loading. This flag is to optimize ad load calls for all ad formats. Okay, once both the flags are added, rebuild the project. change version code and version name to release the new build. But before that, test the app on emulator for ads display. Okay, test ads are displaying properly. Now generate signed build and upload for close testing. I always test the beta version on the devices before releasing to production. By doing this, you can minimize the errors on production build. And also by releasing the app to close testing, we get Google's pre-launch report with the issues if any, so that we can fix them before releasing to production. Okay, build generated. Upload the build to close testing, check for ANRs for this version build in Play Console and promote the release to production. So, to fix the input dispatching timed out ANR, you need to first find out which method in the app is causing the ANR, then avoid performing the blocking or long running operations on the app's main thread. Instead, create a worker thread and do most of the work there. Hope this video helped you to understand about the ANRs and how to fix them. If so, please comment, like the video and subscribe to Eureka Tech Solutions. Thank you.